Let it burn! Let it burn! Whoa! When we are drawing flames, when you are drawing fire, you feel like your flame is looking not alive as it should or just lacks glowing effect. In this video, we are going to make those painting flames, those flames that look amazing in your drawing, and make it look like it's there in your drawing, not something that you just copy and paste. I know, I see you doing that, don't you dare hide from me. I do that too sometimes, but how to make it more natural and everything. Okay, let's go. So when we are thinking of a flame, we gotta think of one word, call it emotion. Is that how you write it? Is that how you write it? Yeah. So motion means, hey, things are moving, things are not stopping by, things are really keep coming and going. And when you understand that everything is going like you're gonna understand that, hey, your flame is going to have a certain direction. Your flame is not going to be random like, haha, I created something out of nowhere. No, it gotta make sense. As an example, you have the base of your flame here, and there's a strong wind making your flame going to the right side. You're going to see your flame just going like shwoo, 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 like this, okay? You're gonna see your flame doing this movement right here. And the second thing is, your flame don't make sense, okay? As an example, we have here the base of your flame, and it's just going up like a normal flame. You could do that, but remember when I said that it doesn't make sense? Is that you're going to make random curvatures here, okay? Random. Start making your hand go shaking, shake, okay? And don't make patterns. A huge trouble that people get is like, hey, I'm going to make like shake, 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 shake all the same way. No, you gotta make different, like some bigger, some like squish it, and some like woo. Change the pattern. Here, the same. You're gonna be doing huge movements, small movements, random, okay? Some big, some small. You are going to remember like, hey, there's going to be also movement here, okay? Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement. Look here, you're just making format. You're just following the flow. That's an amazing flame, like amazing. Because you can notice here that we did like layers. Like this area here, more behind. And this area here, look a little bit more in the frontal area, a little bit more up head. Well, you don't really need to go crazy thinking like, hey, which base color do I get? I get so nervous on that. What if I choose the wrong base color? Don't think too much. Don't think too much, okay? Oh, by the way, of course, create a new layer for the base color. Some artists like a lot to use strong neon colors when selecting the base, because it helps them to separate more what they are seeing as line art and if there is a small space between the line art and the base that was not well painted. I like to use, depending on the project that I am, strong base colors, just to see clearly if I'm painting every single place. Right now, I'm going to press Ctrl U. This tab is going to open. I'm just going to rotate my hue. Now, I'm going to lock my layer. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Here. Here, right. I'm going to lock it right here. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something. What am I doing here by selecting those places with yellow? I'm selecting the car base. You can see that I didn't select this place here because like on the edge. Here, edge, no. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Okay, now, especially here in the upper area, we are going to make it warm as red, okay? almost a rule, but if it's too close to the font, to the main area, it's not going to receive the red. I'm going to change my brush into soft mode. Okay, it's soft right now. Do you see this? It's soft. It's soft, doesn't have an edge. And I'm going to lower my opacity, or pretty much just go here in my brush by pressing F5. Activating transfer. Freak you, why are you here? Yeah, you, I love you. Here, yeah, this, okay, this. Do you see this? Do you see this? Champs, look at this. Slightly doing the red passage. Do you see this? Now we go into our line art layer. You can see right now. So in that layer, you lock it. Now you can only paint inside. So what we did, I teach you guys how to do the basic drawing, movement, motion, and then I teach you about the orange, yellow, and red, how which one you add. Yellow you add more in bubble formats, and red you add more stretched and more far away from the main point. And after that you add a gradient from the red going down and from the yellow going up. And after that, you go into your line art layer, lock that layer, and then you just start painting that with strong saturated colors. This one, I'm going to reinforce even more what is happening here. I'm going to reinforce even more. How? How am I going to reinforce that? I'm going here in my brush mode soft light. I select this dark color here, this dark red. I lock my layer here, as you guys can see.
Help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless.
Smudge to work. Right now you're going to just refine your fire and refine it and refine it. Now I'm going to remove all of those little sketch lines and make the movement really flow, okay? I believe I'm a teacher addicted to smudge tool. You can't fix this with your normal brush. You can fix this using your smudge tool, changing the settings and everything. I prefer to just use it in the way that I change the settings that is the best for me. It doesn't mean that it's going to be the best for you. Here are my settings if anyone have a question about it. Here are my smudge tool settings. Transfer here, smoothing, one pen pressure, and the settings here.
Live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap.
Do you see this? I'm doing small Naruto symbols. Naruto symbols here, and it makes the artwork look professional. No questions, it makes it look professional. You're gonna find that some lines that you did don't really make more sense for you, and it's fine, okay? You don't need to be exactly what you just did in the drawing step. It can be like, hey, I want to change this in the coloring step, and it's okay, it's fine.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was...
I'm going back into my brush mode. It's on soft light. We're gonna keep using soft light. Or we can use the screen or color dodge.
No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop.
Do you see this? Do you see this? Look at this. Look at this. Look. Do you see this? Look at this. Brush with lower transfer. Do you see this glowing effect? How it looks amazing? So I'm going here to lower my opacity. I just click on my keyboard at a random number that I think that is low, like 2. And I'm adding little by little.
The pains in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest.
Okay, now, if I go into color dodge, let me show you guys. You can see this one paints is strong. The one that we were painting paints is strong light around the fire. But the one that I added right now, if we select like orange, this orange here, it's going to make it strong inside. Look at that. Look at that. It makes inside stronger. And if you think that it's not strong enough, but the linear dodge, not the color dodge, linear. Look at that. That's strong. I don't know what kind of surface thing is about your background, but you can just go here and do like a small reflection of the flame. I'm going to press right now Ctrl U. This tab here is going to open. You have this tool right here. So I'm going to rotate the hue.
Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So you want your flame here in the middle to be this color, more brighter blue. You go here into modes, change to color, and then you pick here, big brush and paint it blue. Soft, gentle, be gentle, be gentle. Lower your opacity and paint it blue, okay?
All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be.
And of course, don't forget the borders, the edges. The edges make sense to be darker, just like we did there.
My last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Guys, important tip here that I think that would be amazing, that I'm learning this more now, right now in my art journey, is that when you just go there and just take out all of your saturation, you're gonna maybe sometimes look at something like that and you're gonna be like, oh my, everything is the same gray value pretty much. How am I getting so much difference when I'm painting? But not as much when I lower down my saturation, when I take out my colors. Sometimes it's because when you're using strong colors, sometimes the gray level that they correspond, that they are the same, is dark too. Fire breath. This thing here, that it's how to draw the movement. And it's all about motion. It's all about motion. It will be the same but just going out. It will be pretty much the same. I could have a dragon mouth right here, just like... I'm out here and I'm a dragon. I could have... Yeah, that would be pretty much the same. Just like a more concentrated place and then in a cone format.
Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough.
Okay, so guys, champs, remember, add overlay, add effects, rotate your hue, rotate it, don't be shy, rotate it.
Put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong.
This is this red flame right here. Sometimes your flame is going to be a little bit transparent. Yes, it's going to be a little bit transparent. Only for you here that stay to the end. And this gives that special effect of everything looking like so cool. This dark color right here, yeah, it's you just seeing the background passing through the flames. So if this tutorial helped you after all those steps, why not share with a friend that also have this trouble? Share it and why not leave a like, subscribe, or check out our Gamon and Patreon to receive even more. Yeah, the goodies, you know, the goodies, you know, the goodies. You can receive the goodies. Just check out link in the description of our YouTube channel. You're amazing, champ, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. And bye bye. Woo.